For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Almost every one of us have always known the importance of doctors in our lives. This pandemic has made us realize how immense the contribution of doctors and medical professionals in our society is. Since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, people have been reaching out more and more to doctors. Doctors have been working round the clock to ensure that patients get the best medical care. These doctors have been putting their own lives at risk and sacrificing family life to ensure the safety of all. So, on National Doctors' Day, which is marked on July 1st in India, the nation remembers these heroes who work to save lives. The theme of this year's Doctors' Day is Lessen the Mortality of COVID-19. Doctors have worked round the clock, and a few of them were seen taking a much-deserved break at one of the hospitals in Delhi. Doctors have often released pictures of the struggles endured by them. The resident doctors had shared several pictures of doctors involved in COVID-19 duty. While few had kidney stones due to prolonged dehydration, a few others shared pictures of the aftermath of 8 hours of wearing PPE kits. Doctors have truly given up on their sleep and given their sweat to save as many lives as possible during the pandemic. The doctors had to also blow off the heat by grooving to some music while treating patients. A group of doctors working in Bengaluru's Victoria Hospital de-stressed themselves by dancing. The doctors have also had to brave the heat, rain and snow to fight the pandemic. Amidst the rains in Arunachal Pradesh, Chief Minister Pema Khandu also tweeted a video showing the conditions that the doctors have to endure. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to Twitter and posted a video to thank the COVID warriors. India salutes our doctors, exceptional caregivers who are at the forefront for a spirited fight against COVID-19. Earlier in the day, Union Home Minister Amit Shah also saluted the brave doctors for leading the COVID-19 battle. On Doctors' Day, I salute our brave doctors who have been leading the battle against COVID-19 at the forefront. Their uttermost commitment to keep the nation safe and healthy in these challenging times is truly exceptional. Nation salutes their devotion and sacrifice. The first National Doctors' Day was celebrated in July 1991. This day marks the birth as well as the death anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, one of the most renowned physicians in India. Here's thanking all the doctors and medical professionals for their continuous service for the ongoing coronavirus pandemic.